Hey everyone, it's Tommy. Thanks for tuning in. So today was quite an up and down day, literally. I mean, we started the day off, people were buying that news on the stimulus, and unfortunately, a lot of things just came crashing down throughout the day. So that that is one big thing to tell you about the markets that we're in right now. December, January, first part of February, everything was running so hot. But when you start to see these trends change and you start to see things turn a little bit more bearish, you've got to really pay attention. You've got to be careful about your buys. You really do. It's all about timing. It's about patience. And the biggest thing is it's about focus because right now, after what happened on Friday, you're going to see a lot of charts that made these new lows, and you see these bounces, and a lot of charts are going to look the same. A lot of stocks are going to look attractive. And if you're not focused and you start buying everything, you could find yourself in big trouble because we still haven't confirmed that we're moving back into the bullish market, right? So that's not confirmed yet. And you don't want to spread yourself thin. Too many positions can result in a big nightmare. So that's one thing that I'm going to focus on here today. But first, let's talk about EYES eyes. And it had a really pretty day today. And the last couple of days, it was really nice here. So I'll go to a 30-minute chart. Friday, again, this is one that went down low. And well, it actually started down low and it had a really nice rip. Went from under a buck 50 all the way to almost $10. Pulled back in the after hours, and then guess what it did again today. So I saw some things happening here this morning, and I posted it in the chat. So here it is. I wrote right here, hey, look, EYES, and there was continuation on Ancn as well. This was a really nice play, EYES at 810. I said 50-cent opportunities here for scalps. It's moving between 770 and 820. Is actually 840, 850 as well a few times, and it was just giving us a great time to really get ready for some nice day trades. I did right there, watch for a breakout as well. And that's exactly what happened. So right here where my cursor is, I drew a couple of arrows at 810. I said, look here, I could see this upward trend, higher lows. We bounced off this resistance a few times. Once we were getting ready to crack through that, when volume came in, it was pretty much over. This thing then just proceeded right to 965, hit its head there. It did it three times into the bell, another pullback, and then it just launched. So this was a beautiful trade for active traders, day traders. This was the momentum today that we picked up on rather early in the mid pre-market. So again, after it made the new high, you could see here we had another downtrend. I mentioned in the group to be cautious. We needed to see this thing pull back. And no sooner did I type it, it just started dropping under 13, under 12, and finally it gave us another bounce. This was really beautiful because once this came down and tested VWAP, and then it came under, you're talking about $2 and $3 trade opportunities right there, which is really nice on a day like today, for looking for momentum. And then again here at the end of the day, this had another nice setup here for a move higher, beautiful right into the after hours, and it's pulling back right now. So, but all in all, it was a great trade on EYES. Another was ANCN. Now this was different because for me, it just this had after hours movement. It had a really big spike, 4 in the morning, came down and consolidated here. But after its initial spike, which it was nice, I mean, this was a $2 move. So this was a really nice move here for people that were patient and got the pullback at the bell. After that, though, I mean, besides this little cup here, just look, it faded away. And that's really what happened with a lot of stocks today. And when I mentioned just a few minutes ago, you've got to be smart about the way that you stay focused on your trades. I'll show you right now that you're going to see a lot of similar setups. You have Friday, you have a lot of these dips and these recoveries, and then you have these big moves in the morning and then pullback. So this was MRIN. This is a stock that we have been uh, in and trading. SNES is another trade that has not really panned out yet, but this one here has potential for something quite larger. Should they release some sales news on their product sales. But anyway, this one, you can see the pattern there, guys. It pulled back and a few other ones. Another one we traded here recently, KXIN, same thing. Friday, and now you have another pullback. So you're going to see a lot of things that look attractive, and if you're not careful, you can spread yourself too thin. Watt was another one. This one here, I have high hopes for this moving forward into the future over the next couple of months. So this is definitely one that I like. So Tesla is something that I've watched here for quite a while now. Tesla, NIO, and again, you can see this just ripping in the morning, and just it's down 10%. It's down 10% from its highs. So that's a lot. That's a big move for Tesla and NIO. And you can see again the chart patterns. Everybody, this is something that people are very attracted to. Right now, you're going to wait for it to come down and double touch this low here, but this is a really good time to proceed with caution and be smart with your ads, and be smart with your patience, because if these levels crack again and we go a little bit further down, it could be painful. So always stay focused, and don't spread yourself too thin there. All right, so with that, just a quick recap. EYES momentum trade of the day, called out in chat. We did really well. Any active traders, we're still waiting on a few swing plays to work themselves out. If you liked the video, please hit like, definitely subscribe. I'll have more video content coming out here soon. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.